So first take 1 cup of Sooji, Rava or semolina. Then take 1 cup of wheat flour. I have already added wheat flour in this, so I'm not adding it again. After this, take 6 to 7 tablespoons of powdered sugar in your mixture and mix it. Okay, so after this, I'm going to add a packet of biscuits. You can take any biscuits of your choice. Why we are adding biscuits is because it will give a nice taste and flavor to our cake, as we are not using any vanilla essence or any flavor in our cake, so it will really give it a good taste. Grind it and add it to your mixture. After this, we have to take 1 tablespoon of shuddh ghee. You can even take butter or oil as well. Okay, so after this we are going to add milk in little proportions. We are not going to add whole of it at a time. Take small amounts, mix it, again take milk, mix it. Mix it properly. There should be no lumps in your mixture. Give it a good consistency. Okay, so now my consistency is fine, but I think I will add more milk in it, as the suji absorbs all the milk and it becomes more thicker. So first I'm adding some dry fruits and tutti frutti in my mixture. Now take a tin, microwave tin, oil it properly and add some wheat flour in it, so that it will act as a replacement for your butter paper. The cake will not stick onto the tin. Oil it properly and add some wheat flour. Now I am spreading tutti frutti here also. Now my mixture is almost ready. I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and about half tablespoon of baking powder. If you do not have baking powder, no worries, you can add half tablespoon of baking soda or ENO as well. I'm adding some more milk into it. Okay, so now let me tell you a good secret. After mixing it properly, what I do sometimes is, first I will just wait a minute. Let me pour it to the tin. Pour it properly. Okay, so what I do is, to make my cake more spongy, sometimes I add, after adding tutti frutti and dry fruits on the top of it, sometimes I take 1 teaspoon of warm water and I spread it all over my cake. It gives more fluffiness and more sponginess to my cake. But as of now, 1 tablespoon, right? As of now, I'm not adding it because I have used baking soda, baking powder, so it will do it purpose. Now, take your tin, put it in your microwave, turn on the convection mode at 180 degree, keep it for 12 minutes. Set your timer to 12 minutes. Okay, so after 12 minutes we are here and our cake is almost ready. It's ready, fully ready. Now take a knife, put it in your cake and see if it is fully baked or not. See, The knife is fully clean. It has turned out so spongy, so fluffy. I just love it. So I'm recording the voice after eating it. It was really very delicious. It turned out so good. So you can flip it after it cools down a little bit, and it's ready.